After thorough investigation, World Health Organization, the WHO, suggests drinking more tea and smoking less for the sake of a better life. Tianshi anti-lipemic tea is formulated from green tea together with such Chinese herbs as Gynostemma pentaphylla, lotus leaf, cassia seed, and Radix polygonum multiflorum. These ingredients can efficiently reduce blood lipid, clear away heat, and purify the cardiovascular system with its fine taste and fragrant smell. Green tea can purify one's heart and improve acuity of sight, reduce blood serum, and reduce weight. Herbal Gynostemma pentaphylla can relieve inflammation and clear away toxic material. Cassia seed can remove intensive heat from the liver and improve acuity of sight, reduce high blood pressure, and relax the bowels. Lotus leaf can clear away heat and invigorate the function of the spleen. Radix polygonum multiflorum can invigorate the liver and kidney, replenish vitality, keep the body healthy and the face beautiful.
华夏民族